In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a WooCommerce coupon. Creating a coupon in WooCommerce can enhance customer satisfaction, drive sales, and reward loyalty. Whether you're running a holiday sale or a special promotion, or simply want to offer a discount to your loyal customers, setting up a coupon in WooCommerce is straightforward. Let's walk through the process together. First, it's important to ensure that your WooCommerce store is ready to handle coupons. Begin by navigating to the WooCommerce settings on your dashboard. You'll do this by selecting WooCommerce from the menu, then diving into the Settings section. Once there, click on the General tab. Here, you'll find an option labeled Enable the Use of Coupon Codes. Check this box to activate coupons for your site. This step is crucial because, without it, none of the subsequent coupon features will be available for use. If you're interested in allowing customers to use multiple coupons on a single purchase, you might want to consider enabling the sequential application of discounts. You can do this by checking Calculate Coupon Discounts Sequentially. This option lets discounts build on top of each other, which can be especially appealing for customers looking to maximize savings. Once you've configured these settings to your liking, make sure to click Save Changes to store your preferences. Now that your store is ready to accept coupons, it's time to create one. Head over to the Marketing section in WooCommerce and click on Coupons. Here, you'll be greeted with a screen to manage your existing coupons and add new ones. For our purpose, click on Add Coupon. Creating a new coupon involves a few simple inputs. Start with the coupon code. Think of this as the promotional tagline for your discount. You can manually type your unique code, such as Summer10, or, if you prefer, WooCommerce can generate a random code for you. This step is entirely up to your preference in how you want to present your coupon to customers. Next, it's helpful to add a description for your coupon. This description is for your internal use only, so feel free to include the purpose of this coupon or any specific conditions related to its usage. It serves as a handy reference that can keep your promotional strategy organized and accessible to you or your team members. Remember, a well-thought-out coupon campaign can be a great asset to your business. Whether it's to increase sales, promote a specific product, or show appreciation to your returning customers, coupons are a versatile and powerful tool in e-commerce. With just a few clicks, you've unlocked a new avenue for enhancing your customer engagement, and there you have it, a simple yet effective approach to creating WooCommerce coupons. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks that empower your online business.